Hi, I'm Dave Trull and welcome to the Trull Gallery's YouTube channel. I've been a woodworker for over 30 years, 7 of those in the tool industry. I'll be posting videos on woodworking, tools, and home repairs about every other week. You'll learn the techniques and tips I've learned over the years, both in the shop and around the house, and I'll share with you what I know about hand tools, power tools, and machinery. Be sure to subscribe for new content and comment below to introduce yourself.